Hey everybody, this is Kit with Kit's Cars. I decided to ceramic coat my own car today. Figured how hard could it be, and actually it turned out to be not that bad. So I will show you the process and talk to you about how that went. Hey everybody, I'm going to talk about the products I used, which was the Geon Prep, the Nano Skin wipes, and the Nano Skin T1 ceramic coating. So first I'm going to prep the surface with the Geon Prep. This is an oil remover that helps get all the residue off the car and make it ready to take on the ceramic coat. Now that the car was fully decontaminated, it was time to actually start using the ceramic coating. Again, this is the NanoSkin T1, and I'm going to apply it with the included applicator, and we'll see how it goes. It's supposed to be a self-leveling, slow curing ceramic coat. So while many of the ceramic coatings out there flash very quickly, the NanoSkin T1 is designed to take about 45 minutes to flash, so that you have more time to fix anything that you may have screwed up. So I'm going to apply it with slow overlapping strokes in about a 3 by 3 area.
So as you can see, the wheel's still pretty shiny from the coating residue. Let's see what happens when I take that off. All right, now that we've taken the coating off, the wheels are maybe a little shinier than they were, but they've gone back to their mostly matte finish goodness. So the coating didn't affect the surface reflectivity of the wheels, which is good. And they look pretty good. Hopefully this keeps what little brake dust they do make. So I'm pretty happy with the way this came out. If you look, the ceramic coating has basically self-leveled, so there's not any swirls or other issues. I'll probably have to go over this one more time to make sure that I got out all the imperfections, but I mean overall the paint looks pretty darn good.
As I go over the trunk, you can see a little bit of the unevenness from the metallic paint.
So we'll let this cure for the next 12 hours inside, and then be ready to face the world.
Yeah, it's too bad that Tesla's not otherwise nice looking metallic white isn't all that even.
Okay, I know you're getting a little flicker from the light I'm using, but let's take a look and see how we did from a swirl perspective. It looks pretty darn good. Not seeing much in terms of swirls or surface contamination, so pretty happy with the way this came out. We'll give it a full 24 hours to cure, and then should be ready for the outside world. Well, I'm sore as heck, but that was a fun experience to go through and to coat my own car. I think it came out pretty well, but I did use a fairly beginner friendly coating. It doesn't flash very quickly and gives you a lot of time to level out any swirls you would have put into the coating otherwise. And I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. And the real question is ceramic coating actually worth it? Well, in my experience, it operates more as a normal wax that just happens to last a decent amount longer. I wouldn't be surprised if I get 6 to 12 months out of this coating, probably, hopefully at least 12, but we'll see. I find that anyone who talks about a coating as being permanent and something that will last through the through the ages is probably not really trying to help you. Really, I mean, these coatings end up being a few microns thick, so it's not like they can provide a huge amount of actual protection. They're not like a hard barrier. It's a very, very thin coating. They do resist scratches a decent amount, so scratches such as what you get from a dirty microfiber, not scratches like you get from a rock chip or anything. They're not going to provide, ceramic coatings are not going to provide the kind of protection that you get out of paint protection film. I mean, we're talking something that's 100 times thicker than a coating ever will be. So as long as you set your expectations right and see that this will help reduce swirl marks, will help get dust and dirt not to stick to the car and make it easier to wash, then you'll probably get that, and I expect to. So I'll check in a few weeks and then in a few months once the coating is cured and I've washed the car a few times, and hopefully we'll find that I'm still happy with it. So thanks, everyone.